OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 8T. I'm going to be showing you how to insert the SIM card in this phone. It's a fairly quick, simple video for those of you who don't know how to do it. I'm just going to show you quickly. So let's put this down for a second. If you look in the box that the phone came in, you're going to see this little pack here. And if you take it out, you're going to see the invitation letter. You're going to take this, flip it around, and at the bottom you're going to see your SIM card ejector tool. Let's go to the bottom. You're going to take this pin and just push it in like so. Push it down, you're going to see it pop up a bit. Then you could just use your nail and just take it up. What you're going to do is on this side facing up, you're going to take your SIM card and you're going to flip it round and you're going to match up the grooves and just place it in like that. And then you're going to take your phone again and put it back in. Be sure to match up the notch here. The one that's sticking out more, you want to put it where the hole is. Just basically match up where the hole is and just push it in. If you wanted to add two SIM cards in there, if you're focusing, you can put one on the other side as well. So you can use two SIM cards and just slide it in. After you slide it in, you just wake the phone. And it's going to ask you for the password if you got one. I've got a password on my SIM card, so let me just enter that. So I've entered that. Let me disable Wi-Fi, and it should connect to 4G, and just like that we got internet. It's pretty simple to do. Leave your comments in the comment section down below if that helps you. Pretty simple to install the SIM card on the OnePlus 8T. Like I said, leave your comments in the comment section down below, drop a like, and thanks for watching. Peace.